Alright guys, I can't tell whether this is a engine rod knot or if it's a rocker arm push rod. I just installed the engine, got it from a junkyard, so I don't know the previous history, but I changed the upper and lower intake gaskets and try to make sure I did put the push rods in the correct order. Torqued rocker arms down to spec, and this is what I have afterwards. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but the motor does shake a lot. And it's a continuous knot, so I'm hoping maybe push rod. To me, it seems like it's coming right here in the front, possibly. So right here. I'm not quite sure, so any opinions would be greatly appreciated.